All right, folks, how you doing today? Today we're gonna take a look at how to make money watching game trailers. But first, if you're new to the channel, please hit subscribe. I make videos about making money online. There's hundreds of videos in my back catalog. Also hit the notification bell to be notified of any new videos coming out. Also, if you want to make money online as a part-time income, full-time income, make money while you're sleeping, make passive income, get yourself out of the rat race, turn your passions into profit, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. There's a link in the video description below. It's the top link. Anyways, let's get into this, folks. So this is a site called VolKno, VolKno.com. I'll leave a link in the description for this as well. And basically, folks, you're gonna get paid Amazon gift cards to watch trailers, video games, also TV shows, movies, and web shows. And so basically, you're gonna come here into games. You're gonna create your account real quick, and then let's go. I can't even talk today. But anyways, let's check this out. So for example, what you're gonna do is you get these flow points. 1,000 flow points equals $1, and so I'm close to $5 right now. So I'm gonna get myself over the edge and get a $5 gift card from Amazon. So let's check this out. I'm not gonna actually play the trailer here. I'm just gonna give you a little demo, but I'm not gonna play everything. So I'm gonna start. So the first round is a hot or not round. There's 3 rounds altogether. And you're just gonna click hot if you like it. I'm gonna pause it for a second here because I don't want to actually play it. So I'm gonna play the trailer and different scenes. I'm gonna click hot or not. Do I like that scene? Do I hate that scene? Whatever. You can skip this round, but you won't get the points. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this, and I'll get back to you in a second. Okay, and so once you're done watching it and doing the hot or not kind of stuff, to get some extra points in this round, if you move this slider here, rate this video. If you just leave it 5, it's gonna leave it where it is. If you just hit next round, you're just gonna leave it as it is. But you can do a little thing here, get extra 10 points there. You can make a comment on it, indeed, to get another 10 points here, and then tag it real quick, love it, or whatever. There's a tag round at the end, so we got 80 points right here. We're gonna go to the next round, and this one we're gonna kind of do an emoji round. Again, I'm not gonna show the trailer because for copyright reasons and everything. But you basically, as you're watching the trailer, you're gonna have these different emotions here. It's kind of weird because they only have angry, scared, sad, surprised, excited, and happy, and you're supposed to click on each one as different scenes go by. Sometimes you don't feel any of these things, so it's kind of weird. But anyways, that's what they have here. You can skip the round again, but you're not gonna get points for it. And you're watching the same trailer. Some of them have multiple trailers, so you get different points for that. But anyways, I'm gonna give feedback, and I'll get back to you in 1 second. Alright, so once you're done with that round, you can just go to the next round. In the next round, you're just going to tag it. We get some more points there, as you can see. And we're just going to tag it, love it, hate it, whatever. So yeah, once it's playing, you can just do it now. Say love it, excited, amazing. And you can create your own tags as well. Okay, so then we're done with that round. And then you can mark it to favorites if you want. And then you could watch movie trailers and stuff like that. More game trailers, movie trailers. There's even some surveys here. I don't have any to complete at the time. I already did them. You get extra points for that, and sometimes they'll pop up with new ones. And then you just go to the store here, and you only need $5, 5,000 points to get a $5 gift card from Amazon. You can save up to get, the $100 one, but it's the same points are all the same. So I'm just going to add that to cart and redeem. And then, are you sure you want to spend 5,000 flow points? Cancel, yes, or confirm. I mean. And then in the email, you're going to get it says within an hour, but I get mine pretty quickly. In fact, it just came right now, as you can see in the notification here. And that's it. I use my points, go to my email, and I have my gift card. I have it blacked out here, of course, because gift card for $5. You log into your Amazon account. There's a amazon.com/redeem, and you put this code in. And you're good to go. Copy that code and you get $5. So pretty cool, folks. Obviously, you're not going to get rich. It's going to take some time to do this. I usually do it when I'm thinking break some stuff. When I'm just relaxing or whatever, doing some other things, whatever. Obviously, it's not gonna be a full-time job, but if you do want to learn how to make money as a full-time income, or just even part-time income, passive income, make money while you're sleeping, turn your passions into profits, get yourself out of the rat race, folks, check out my #1 recommendation below. There's a link in the video description on the top of there. Check that out. There's a free community there, a free membership. You don't need a credit card or anything to sign up, and you start with that, folks. All right, that's all for now. I will talk to you soon. Later.